look what I found. Look at the spiders in here, oh my gosh. And then what you want to do is while everyone's looking, while they're all getting your attention, you just drop it, and then this thing hangs out like that. So you want to know how to prank? Today I'm with my friend Jason the Great 777. He teaches you how to do magic from everyday items you have at home. Link to his channel in the description below. So today we're going to show you pranks you can pull on your friends and family at home. Using stuff from Halloween that's either left over from your house or going to the store and buying them for like 75% off clearance sales on Halloween items. Alright, for this prank you're going to get a plastic cup that's clear. You can drop it. It's not going to break because it's plastic. We're going to get some fishing line and you're going to attach it to the bottom of a spider. A real small spider, maybe a big plastic spider, whatever you want to use, right? And what you're going to do is you're going to take this spider and you're going to drop it inside this clear plastic cup. You're going to act like you found it, like you trapped it in this cup. Then you're going to take something like a plate or whatever you want. You're gonna hold it like this, like, oh my gosh, look what I found! Look at the spiders in here, oh my gosh. And then what you wanna do is while everyone's looking, while they're all getting your attention, you just drop it, and then this thing hangs out like that. Oh my gosh. Everyone's gonna run, scream, hide, they're gonna freak out. Or what you could do is you could just drop it. Oh! Make a big thing, pick it up. Oh, there's a spider! Ah, run! Run! Oh my gosh! They're gonna run, they're gonna hide, they're gonna freak out, and then once they realize it's fake, they're gonna laugh their butts off. You can literally pull this off on anyone. It works really good when your friends or family are at a party, at the house. You just come in and you act like you caught this big, freaking scary spider.
All right, this is really cool too. This is called a screaming spooky mat. All right, what it does is when somebody steps on it or something, it actually goes off in the speaker there, okay? Ooh, spooky. So imagine, okay, you put this in your pillow like this.
Your brother or sister's pillowcase?
Yeah, and look, can't even see it. Just lay it right there. And when they lay their head down,
That's funny.
But not only can you put it in the pillowcase, anywhere you think you can hide it, like even under your doormat would work too. Maybe leave a comment down below on a really cool place you can think of putting it at your house. And like I said, these are on sale right now because Halloween's getting ready to, unfortunately, be over with. So you can probably just pick this up for a few bucks. And it's a really fun time. And let me see what this sounds like this time. So I guess you could put the speaker under there too. Yeah, you can hear it really good.
Or under the bed.
Yeah.
All right, for this prank, you're gonna get some fake hair. I got this hair at the dollar store. It literally cost $1 at Dollar General. So before you cut it off, you're gonna take a little tiny thin piece of tape, just thin enough so you can hide it from behind your fingers, but you also want it to be able to hold the hair you're about to cut, and then boom, make the cut. Bam. All right, now you got the haircut. It's easy for you to carry around. You can hide the tape right there behind your fingers. A whole prank idea is to go up behind somebody and you're gonna go up behind with the scissors and make this cutting sound behind their head. When they turn around, you're gonna show them the hair that you just cut from their head. They're gonna freak out thinking, who cut my hair? I wish I had hair.
Are you serious? That was my hair! My precious hair! He actually cut it!
Nah, let me see it.
Yes, he did! Guys, you can follow me on Instagram also at lucasthegreat.jr.
All right, you can get some really fake hands. These are really cheap. These were like $1. Okay, what you're gonna do is you're gonna tape it right here, okay, to the light switch. As soon as they come into the bathroom, they're gonna reach for the switch and grab that. What we figured out is if we do it like this, it's kind of weird is when they bring their hand in and grab it like that. Now, you take some duct tape. You don't wanna put the duct tape on the wall. It will peel the paint off. So what we're gonna do is just take a piece of duct tape like this, put the duct tape right there, and then you're gonna stick it right here. Like this, let me see.
Yeah, that's good.
Can you see it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That way when they come in, let's do it like this. I want them to grab the fingers, so I'm gonna place it up a little bit higher, like right there. That way when they come in, they'll feel that, okay? And then it might even drop, which might be a good thing too, is if it drops. That'd be good. So they come in and reach for that, and then, I mean, it'll be over by the time they start reaching for it.
Yeah, she was on top of me and like...
All right, for this one, take this fake hair, okay? And you're gonna set it up. Oh, this is gross. Right here on the toilet bowl. And then just tape it. I feel like this is a great prank that would work on my mom, maybe your girlfriend or something like that, your little brother or sister, because they're not gonna know what's going on. But you just drop it. Oh God, that's nasty. There you go. So when they come in to go to the bathroom, they lift it up. Oh, what is that? That's gross. That's nasty. And you just leave it there for someone to find. Alright, that's a wrap. If you made it this far, thanks so much for watching. We're giving away these chipped spring can snakes. Ooh, it's a 3-foot snake that jumps out of a can of chips on prankkits.com. I'm going to give 5 away to 5 subscribers. All you got to do is leave a comment with hashtag PrankNation, like the video, and subscribe. And Jason's going to give 5 away on his channel, Jason the Great 777, link in the description. Go over there, same thing. 5 over there, 5 over here. Live inspired, shock the world. We'll see you next time. He thought I cut it, but I didn't. I went like this. Over there, I just went. There's nothing there.
Easy on him, man. My insurance isn't good.
Every year they have it shot on the iPhone like that. Oh, shit! You got me.
Do it in this camera.